Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change the Samsung side key double press action for camera or apps. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Now scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. From here, tap on Side button. Now you will see the option called Double Press. Tap on it. By default, it is usually set to Quick Launch Camera. Here you can change what happens when you double press the side key. You can choose Quick Launch Camera or Open App. If you select Open App, then choose any app from the list on your phone that you want to open when you double press the side key. You may also see other options depending on your device and software version. Once you select your option, it will be saved automatically. And that's it. You have successfully changed the Samsung side key double press action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.